Hey everybody, how's it going? Today, let's take a look at the all-new 2012 Volkswagen Passat SEL TDI. And this is going to be a full, in-depth tour of the Passat. We'll start it up, show the engine, go over the performance data, and show you a bunch of the features on the interior as well as exterior. And today, I'm at Carolina Volkswagen in Charlotte, North Carolina. And so, without further ado, let's go ahead and start it up, let it run. As you can see, it does come equipped with a remote start. This vehicle also comes with Volkswagen's Marque access system. By utilizing the little touch-sensitive pads on the door, you're able to lock and unlock the vehicle. Just tap the indentation, wait for it to beep, as such, then after waiting a second, just grab the handle, and it automatically unlocks the vehicle. It's a black exterior, with light tan, leather, and Alcantara interior with black accenting. It also has push-button ignition. Just put your foot on the brake, hit the button to start. Beautiful. Has the 6-speed dual-clutch DSG automatic transmission with manual shiftability as well as sport mode. Sport mode changes the times of the transmission shifts to give you the appearance of driving a manual vehicle without actually having to shift. DSG, or direct shift gearbox, is basically a twin clutch transmission, one operating gear